The journey is as beautiful as the destination.
Wow, look at the hills. It's like a dream. माँ देखो, इतना सुंदर नजारा.
हाँ बेटा, दार्जिलिंग की ओरें बढ़ रहे हैं.
Wow, चाय के बागान.
Outside, the monsoon taps gently on our windows, as if reminding us that tomorrow we will follow the rain. Railway stations are places where time stretches. People wait, pigeons wait, even the tea seems to wait before it cools.
Just right. There we go, all wrapped up.
Let me fold some warmth into these sweaters. There, now you'll be warm and cozy.
Let me check these tickets once more. Yes, all correct. Dates, names, everything. Better safe than sorry. Ah, cha. Just right. When the train arrives, it does not rush. It knows journeys should begin gently.
Amma, the window is so foggy.
My first train ride had wooden seats. I was so afraid.
Let's check these tickets once more.
You checked them already, Appa. Better to be safe, dear.
Yes, all correct.
Parathas are ready. My first train had wooden seats. I was so afraid. Wooden seats? Really?
Appa does not say much, but when hills appear, he smiles differently, like he has found an old friend.
But when the hills appear, he smiles differently, like he has found an old friend. The train is here, right on time.
Indeed, the journey begins anew.
May the fog guide you safely.
चलो ट्रेन आ रही है.
हाँ, जल्दी करो.
Wow, देखो smoke! What a beautiful place!
Wow, look.
Journeys are not only about reaching somewhere new, they are about noticing. The way Amma folds warm.
The tea is perfect today.
Yes, and the fog adds magic.
Listen, the temple bell. I hear it.